cleaning and maintenance tips for your back of house staff. With the closure of dining rooms due to COVID-19, think of this as an opportunity to show your customers just how much sanitation and customer safety is a priority for you and your restaurant. We've teamed up with the food service experts on our team, many of whom used to work on the front lines of restaurant operations. We then compiled projects that you can start on right now. Consider putting your back of house staff to work on these projects. Walk-in coolers and freezers. Deep clean and reorganize your walk-ins. Remove all your product from your shelves and move your racks out. Clean and sanitize the wall, the door, the floor, the ceiling, and all the shelving. Clean your cook line hood. Remove all the filters and deep clean them and the hood itself. If accessible, check the exterior fan, the cover for that fan, and the wall around it. Degrease and deep clean. Clean up your dish room. The dish machine cleans everything else, so don't forget to clean it too. Check for a self-cleaning capability. Clean your pots and pans to get rid of that carbon buildup. Clean storage containers, and clean your flatware and all of your dishes. Clean your entire cook line. Check your user's manuals for specific instructions on how to do so, and consider power washing some of the equipment that can withstand it. If possible, it's best to pull out the equipment to clean the back of it and the walls behind it and underneath it. Clean up high and check down low. Clean your coolers and freezers. This includes your reach-ins, the under-counter units, the prep tables, and the chef bases. Check the gaskets and blow out the condenser coils. Clean your dry goods storage area. Pull your shelving units away from the wall and clean everything from top to bottom. Now is the time to consider reorganizing this area and relabeling everything so it's easy to find stuff when you're back in full production. Clean your kitchen and back of house area. A super clean restaurant will leave a lasting impression when your customers come back. Take pictures of your new clean back of house and share this on your social media. As always, if you need anything or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're still here and we're ready to help. Visit our website at starrfoodequipment.com or give us a call at 1-800-594-9434.